Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, real talk with a realtor. I'm Sharice Went, also known as the Agent Lady, and today we're talking about tax alert, tax alert, tax alert. Yes, tax alert for 2019, that is. So buyers, something to take into consideration, obviously homeowners as well, of how your taxes are going to go up in 2019. I'm sure you're all aware, you probably got a letter in the mail as current homeowners, and for buyers, something you want to think about. So not only do you want to pay attention to what your current taxes are for this year, you want to look at 2019's taxes so you'll be prepared for what is to come. Well, how do you figure out that information? Well, one, you can ask your real estate agent for property that you're interested in, or two, you can go to this site, phila.gov. There's a couple different options. Phila.gov will then bring you to property search, and you type in the address of the property that you're interested in. That then will take you to another page, and it'll give you a little snapshot of the history of the taxes, and you can look at obviously what 2019 is going to be. So once you get there, you're like, okay, what do I do next? Well, good question. It's going to have a column that says market value. You're going to take that market value tax assessment, and you're going to multiply it by this very long number here. 0.0137998, feels like pi, 3.14, keep going on and on and on. I don't remember the rest of the numbers, please don't judge me. But you take that, let's just say they gave it a market value of 400,000. You're going to take 400,000 and multiply it by this number, and that'll be your taxes for the year. So make sure, that's just something you take into consideration. And renters, you are not safe from this, unfortunately, because if you're renting, your landlord will, obviously their taxes might most likely be going up. Most people's taxes will be going up versus coming down. Some people might benefit from the taxes coming down, but most people's are going to go up. So if the landlord's taxes are going up, that is usually pushed onto the tenant. So buyers, renters, homeowners, everybody in essence will be affected by the tax increase. Well, guys, I hope that helped. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day, guys.